This is 2013, paper 2, number 16, and we are told the vertices of triangle T are A, 1, 2, B, 4, 2, and C, 3, 4. The vertices of triangle T prime, the image of T are A prime, a half 1, B prime, 2, 1, and C prime, 3, 2. Determine the transformation matrix M is equals to A, B, C, D that maps T onto T prime, and you get yourself 3 marks. So what we do here is that because we have the transformation matrix A, B, C, D, if we write A, B, C, and D, and we multiply by the matrix which we can form using the coordinates of our image, the 3 points, and this will be 1, 2, this is 4, 2, and this is 3, 4, should give us the matrix which will be formed using the coordinates of the image, which will give us this is a half 1, this is 2, 1, and this is 3 over 2, and we have 2. So this is going to help us get our A, B, C, D. So from there we multiply A times 1 is A, and B times 2 is 2B, so that will give us A plus 2B. The other one will give us 4A plus 2B, and the other one will give us 3A plus 4B. So the other row we have C plus 2D, we have 4C plus 2D, and we have 3C plus 4D. So that matrix is equals to this matrix, which is equals to this is equals to the matrix I have 1, 2, 1, and 3 over 2, 2. So when we equate the matrices, then we say the elements are of the equivalent elements are equal. So this is equals to that, and we use a simultaneous equation. So we can just write this is 4A plus B plus 2B 2B is equals to this element. These two are the same, so this is 2. Then this A plus 2B is equals to a half. So these are simultaneous equation. We subtract so that we eliminate B, and that will give us 3A is equals to 2 minus a half is 1.5, which is the same as 3 over 2, implying that our A is equals to a half. If A is a half, then we can say we can substitute our A in the second equation and say a half plus 2B is equals to a half. So subtract a half from both sides, this will be 0. So 2B is equals to 0, implying that our B is equals to 0. From there, we now go to the other part. We use this and that to get our C and D. So you have 4C plus 2D is equals to 1, and we have C plus 2D is equals to 1. You subtract, you get this is 3C is equals to 0, implying that C is equals to 0. And when you substitute our 0 here, C is equals to 0, you get that our D is equals to a half. So our matrix is equals to a half, 0, 0, and a half. So that is our matrix A, B, C, and D. So that's how you do that question. The important part here is you should be able to know that when you multiply the transformation matrix with the matrix formed by the coordinates of the object is equals to the matrix formed by the coordinates of the image.